Hey, fellow crafters, we've got something extra merry and bright for you today. We are diving into a fun and festive project using one of our brand new July online exclusives, the Jolly Holly Hybrid Embossing Folder and Stamp Set. This bundle includes the Jolly Holly Hybrid Embossing Folder, which gives your cards a gorgeous textured finish, and a matching stamp set filled with holiday cheer. It's the perfect combo to take your cards to the next level. Today, we're going to show you how to create this card using the magic of hybrid embossing and stamping. This sample also includes some Stampin' Up! Core products that you can find online year-round. Let's get started. And just like that, you have a fun and festive card. If you think this card is amazing, just wait until you explore the rest of our July online exclusives. There are so many products to choose from, and the crafting possibilities are endless. This month's release is packed with fresh, seasonal, and super versatile products that are perfect for holiday cards, scrapbooking pages, and so much more. To explore the entire July online exclusives collection, reach out to your local Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or head over to our website to browse, shop, and get inspired. We can't wait to see what you create. Happy crafting!